If the thought of wearing a tank top makes you cringe, then this is the workout for you. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel. And this is going to be one of your brand new favorite workouts ever because it is an arm workout. As you know, my arm workouts are some of my most popular workouts here on YouTube and also inside of my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. If you haven't already checked out TBT, this is your sign to do it right now. I'll leave the information up here and also down below in the description box. And this workout is an exact little snippet of a full-length workout that can only be found exclusively inside of TBT. So for this workout, I did use a pair of 2-pound weights. You can do 1s or 3s. I honestly would not go higher than 3. I know someone's gonna come at me, but here's the thing. We're doing so many repetitions and it's really consistent. So I really feel like keeping a little bit lighter resistance as we're doing so many repetitions is what really creates that leaner, longer, more dancer-like arm look that I am known for creating. So without further ado, let's get into it. Make sure you come back because I got something special for you. All right, so we're gonna start here with your legs about hip width apart here. Slight bend in your knees. Your palms are facing towards you. You're just gonna reach forward. That's it. And reach forward. We wanna do this entire workout as non-stop as we can. Now, have your thumbs go down as you come up. My thumbs are down, so it's a little bit of an internal rotation. Good. Now have the palms face up and rotate up. Notice how we're rotating as we move. We're gonna do that again. So palms stay facing towards you, just go straight up. And straight up, that's it. Palms face down, straight up. And good, thumbs up as we reached up. And thumbs up. That's it, thumbs up. And thumbs up. Now thumbs down. Internally rotate. And internally rotate. Do you feel how we're hitting all those little angles? And internally rotate, palms up, and palms up, and palms up, and palms up. Okay, good. Now have your arms up here at shoulder height. We're gonna do bicep curls. And 2, just 4 of these, and 3, and good. Stay here. You're gonna open and forward, and open and forward, open and forward, open. Do that again. Bicep curls 4 times. That's it. And 2. I was really in like a dancing mood here today. So you're gonna see everything is kind of rhythmical. And now open, open. That's it. And squeeze. And squeeze. Squeeze. Let's do that one more time. Biceps and biceps. Your arms starting to feel it. Mine are. Woo. And good. And now we open and open. Very good. Open. That's it. Open and squeeze and open. Okay, good. So now we're gonna alternate our biceps. 2, 4 times like this. 3, and good. Now rotate, so thumbs are up. So it's hammer curls. 2, good, you got it. 3, and 4. Palms up, alternating. Bicep curls, all about rotations here today. And 3, very good. 4, thumbs up, hammer squeeze. And 2, 3, good. Do that one more time. Palms up. I know you're starting. Just make sure it doesn't go into your neck. All right. 3, and good. Hammers. That's it. That's it. Good. 3, and excellent. Okay, good. So now I want you to just have your arms up like this. You're gonna elbow squeeze back, then go into elbows kind of angling towards each other with a slight press down. You got that? Squeeze back and bring it together, press it down. Do it again. Squeeze back, bring it together, squeeze it down. Do that again, and squeeze back, and elbows together. Keep going like that. Squeeze, and bring it together and down. You've got it. Squeeze, and together. So we're getting the back and the bra bulge. Squeeze, very good. In and down, good, you got it. Squeeze, and very good. Now just go straight up with those arms, and up, and up, and up, very good. And now up and down, and up and down, up and down, that's it, up. We're gonna do that again. So we go straight up, and up, very good, up, and up, bend at your elbows, up and slap it down, and up, and slap it down. That's it. Up, slap it down, up. Do that again. One more time. Straight up. And 2. Very good. 3. Feeling those arms. Good. Bend at the elbows. Hands up. Bring them down. Hands up. And good. That's it. And up. And good. Now, bring your arms down by your side. Give your shoulders a little stretch here. We're going to move on. We're going to go straight up here. And straight up above your head. And up. And up. And now hold here. And now down and up. Same idea as we were doing the last exercise. 3. And good. And from here we go up and up. Anything you see me doing in my lower body is just rhythm. So, dance it out. Bring it down and up. That's it. And down and up. Hello, shoulders. Down and up and down. One more time. Bring it up. That's it. And up. And up. Very, very good. Up. And bring those hands down and up and down and up. That's it. And down and up and down. Okay, good. I told you were going to feel those arms. So if you haven't already checked out my signature program, Amazing Arms, in just 7 days, I want you to do that right now. I'll leave the information here, and it's right below the title here of this video in the description box. Amazing Arms is my signature program to create lean, longer, sculpted, sexy, and toned arms that are still really feminine and almost look like you were just blessed with naturally perfect arms. So if that's the look that you're going for, then Amazing Arms is for you. And the best part about it is it's just 15 minutes a day, and you get lifetime access to it. So again, check it out in the description box and also up here. You're gonna love it, and I can't wait to celebrate your success next. Now, if you want to keep hanging with me on YouTube, make sure to check out this video, and I'll see you over there.